James, you've been spending money again.
Yeah, I know.
This does look rather nice. Big electric Spitfire.
Yeah, it's my new favourite model of all time. It's the FlightLine 1600 Spitfire.
1.6 metres, that's big, isn't it?
Yeah, 6S. Had one flight with it and it was beautiful. I got it from Motion RC. They've just opened up a warehouse in Europe.
US based,
So,
they've been US based for a few years.
Yeah.
They got a European outlet now.
Yeah, and the thing that I love this model ever since it came out, the thing that really put me off was the postage cost. But looking at the new warehouse that's just opened, it was, I think, free P&P, to be honest, and absolutely beautiful. Just people can't seem to get enough of it reading the blogs and posts on the internet.
Lots of scale, detail, split flaps.
Yep.
6S 5000 pack, powering it. Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, absolutely perfect. The only thing that's really kind of nitpicking, the only thing that I think's not quite scale is the pilot looks like a child. It's not quite to
You think
the right scale.
he's a bit too small?
Yeah, it's just a little bit too small for the airframe, I think, just slightly. But I mean, it's still bloody lovely airplane.
Small detail.
And it flies fantastic. It's a bit breezy today.
God, you're making excuses again, man. What do you want? You just never get perfect weather here in the UK, do we?
Well,
and we always complain, regardless of what it is.
Yeah, I know. The thing is, over that line of trees over there, when you get a breeze, you get turbulence coming off of them, and it scares the crap out of me. You just got to get up high and get up and out, and it's fine.
What are you talking about? Get on with it, man.
Stop whinging.
Man up! Come on!
Nice. Be a bit of a running theme for today, doesn't it?
Overshoot.
I could have got that down a bit quicker. Should have tried the final stage.
Oh, you only had half flap?
Yeah, I only had half flap.
Ah.
One of the, as I say, definitely my new most favourite airplane ever.
I'm not surprised by that. It looks good in the air as well.
Stunning. Lovely to fly. So docile. Just goes where you put it, even in this blustery wind.
Yeah.
With all these trees about.
I didn't notice it being knocked around, so.
Yeah. Absolutely beautiful airplane.
Winner. All right, thanks, James.
Thanks,
nice
Tom.
flying.
Cheers, buddy.
Decent landing. For a change. Oh, nice. Lovely. How's that, Dom?
Have you stopped sweating now?
Yeah, just about.
Funny, yeah, funny. With the full flap, we really have to concentrate and keep the power up a little bit. Otherwise, it will stall out of that. But Yeah, I enjoyed that. Too much throw on the elevator.
Yeah,
A bit more expo or less throw.
And it's actually much less than the manual states. That's under the lower limits. So definitely need to tone that down.
Oh my God,
yeah,
it's almost 3D the way it's set up. But
yeah.
No, fantastic. And it looks fantastic in the air as well, doesn't it? So
yeah,
definitely
it looks
a winner.
absolutely beautiful.
FlightLine 1600mm Spitfire. We like that. Okay, see you next time. Thanks for watching.